In this video, I'm going to show you a really cool trick. Let's say you want to go to Tuscany in Italy, you've never been there, you want to know where to shoot and how to get there. I'm going to show you a workflow that's going to blow your mind, something that I've done and that I've used for my 7 coffee table books. Bonjour, mesdames et messieurs. My name is Serge Ramilly. I'm a French photographer living in the USA, and I try to teach photography in a very simple and fun way. I started photography a long time ago and I was really bad at first, and so there's a few shortcuts that I want to give you guys so you can take better photos faster. So let's get going. So step number 1, I always use that website called locationscout.net. Link is under the video. It's a free website. This is not sponsored in any way. It's free anyway. And let's say we want to go to Tuscany. So I'm going to go and say Tuscany, and voila. When you go to Tuscany, so it's very important you create a free account because it's totally free. You see it says 200 photo spots. So that's kind of cool. You go there and you got the top photo. I always click on show all. So you will see some, but like this is the first one. This one is called Podere Belvedere in Val d'Orcia.
Wait, there is something incredible that just happened. The best deal of the year is almost over. It's crazy.
Hey, Frenchini, can you knock off the French accent?
Well, it's very simple. You're going to get over 20 courses. That's absolutely unbelievable. You're getting Scott Kelby Photoshop courses. You're getting his courses on portrait, the simple workflow, the advanced workflow, Peter Early perfect headshot. You get so many courses about the Milky Way with Eric Kuna. You get my Cityscape Masterclass. I mean, it's unbelievable. It's the best deal of the year. Hey guys, there's only one catch. Is you got to click the link right now. Yes, you have to click the link immediately because the offer is about to go away forever. Click the link. Click the link.
Okay, so that's what it looks like. Here is the exact GPS data. We can try to take this, so Command C, and here is the key. So you go to Google Map, and I'm just gonna type the GPS data that I have here, okay? Then what you do, once you have that, so you can see in red here, that is exactly where to shoot this photo from, right? So what you can do is you click here just on save. I've already saved it, and I created something called Tuscany. So I'm gonna save it here. It's in Tuscany. Yeah, I can let me make a new list. I'm gonna call it Tuscany 2 just to show you. Tuscany tutorial, let's call it that way. So I'm gonna save it there. And once you save it, you can add a note. The note is gonna be, that's the name. So that's the name. I'm gonna say a beautiful view of a house on a hill, okay? And you do that for every photo. So let's do a couple more together. I mean, this workflow is unbelievable. So this is another photo I love. It's let's click on that. It's called the look at this view. I actually did shoot this photo. So you can either type this, or the best is to take the GPS data here, and then you go to Google Map. You do it like that, and boom, voila. And now you can click save, and then let's go to, I'm creating this new thing called a Tuscany tutorial. I'm gonna add that, and I'm gonna say a beautiful pass to a hotel, because that's what that is. Basically, you can do that for all the photos. There's a lot of that, every time you see something that you like, you do that. Once you've done that, what's crazy, so I've already done it for Paris, and so I'm gonna give you 2 guides for free, Tuscany and Paris, all ready to go. All you have to do is click the link under this video, and then what you do is you just basically click on the link on your phone or on your desktop on the guide that I gave you, and you just click follow. And of course you have to log in first, and it's gonna add this place to your Google Map. Now, let me show you the end result. All right, so once you're on your phone and you are logged into your Google Map app, which should be on your phone, Android or iPhone, you will see a list. Here, you go here to saved. You see, this is where I am. You go here to saved. So you go to Paris, for example, and this is all the spot that I've saved for you in Paris. Now, what's amazing, check this out. If you just drag down the list, let's say you are in Paris, you can see the blue dots is where the photos are. And the red dot is where you're gonna be. So you can literally, okay, what is my next photo to get? You just click on it, and you click on directions, and boom, and you can go take the next photo. Isn't that cool? So anyway, I'm giving you the Tuscany guide and the Paris guide for free. Just subscribe to my emailing list. You're gonna get amazing emails with a lot of free tips, free tutorials, and I hope that you use this for your next trip. I promise you, it's a game changer. It's so simple to do, and it's a great way to explore somewhere on the planet where you've never been. Okay, don't forget to subscribe if you didn't subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Au revoir.